Fellow Nigerians, I dey greet una. Anywhere where you dey hear the sound of my voice. I dey use this opportunity. They call the Igbos, they call the Hausa, they call the Yoruba. I say time don reach when we go embrace unity. One of our greatest problem na the disunity wey we get among ourselves. We no dey connected in reasoning. Another problem wey we get among ourselves na the way we take dey reason. We no dey connected when it comes to reasoning, and that is the reason we no dey fit find answer to our problem. If na for problem, Nigeria as a country get problem. But the greatest problem wey dey hit Nigeria too bad na the division of the people and not our government. If the people fit unite, this Nigeria, we go fix am together. If the people can unite, our government dey small. Why our government dey big today na because of our disunity, tribalism, brainwash of religion here and there. All these things dey kill us. But Nigerians, we dey use this opportunity. They call everybody, say, come, comot your tribe, comot your religion. Make we put heads together, make we find solution to our problem. My name na Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative. This initiative, we dey committed to unite the Nigerian people. We dey call everybody to come together. Say the time don reach where we go embrace unity, the solution to our problem. There is no need for we to kill ourselves for the world where we no go live forever. How many years you go live? Worst come to worst, you live 80 years or 100 years. 120 to 150. If you still get the grace to live up to that age. Why we go to kill ourselves? What we really define? But make I tell us the truth. After many research, we can discover, say, Nigeria as a country, na God bless country. But among us, there is too many division, tribal and ethnicity hatred here and there. Those things, and they kill us. Our government too small to they do what they do today. But why our government they do everything what they do, they go away with them. Now because of say, my brother, my sister, we dey divided. We not agree for each other. And those things then they kill us. But time don't reach. This initiative where they call everybody say, let us unite. Before I continue with my message to address some certain issues where go fit bring more crisis or make more people die because ignorance they on high demand for Nigeria. But before I go into what I want to talk, I want to use this opportunity to invite you to join this initiative. No matter who you be, no matter where you come from, no matter your work and your position, join this initiative with this number plus 601 82 822 884. Again, plus 601 82 822 884. Join us for WhatsApp and for Telegram so that you go see where hundreds of Nigerians they talk so that you go fit contribute your own. We all go dey reason together. We dey try to rebranding the mindset of Nigerians. Make we know how we take the find solution to our problem. Because the problem what we dey see now, my brother, my sister, we na part of the problem. Our disunity among us, na Yoruba man, na Hausa man, na Igbo man, all those things, na a problem why our government today can do anything, they can go away with it. If not, power belongs to the people. But if you can't reach Nigeria, you can't be say power belongs to government. Why? Because the people are weak. The people are not ready to do what they correct. Now I make this initiative come. So make we educate the mindset of the people. Let us see how we can build unity together. Where we no go do something a tribal something. Because this tribal something don't kill us well. I want to use this opportunity to address 3 people where Nigerians they look up to. But these 3 people, their mind never tell them say they know they do and well. My brothers and sisters, no put this person for your tribe or this person from your ethnicity, whatever. Just listen to this message, judge by yourself. Many people want Nigeria to be divided, but they are not part of our government. They are not part of the country. They don't even believe that they are part of the country. How? Now, how can you divide a country that you are not part of? Our people know they think. Eh? Make I leave that one first. Make I start from number one. Number one, many of us, we witness when our brother Sowore called for revolution now. That revolution now, una Sam say make sense, it no make sense. Why it no make sense? Because that revolution now, that is not the way to plan. That is not the way to plan. I be say by this time, Sowore for don't sit down. Think what he is supposed to do. Now to call for unity. Unity among the people. That is what Sowore is supposed to do. Sowore not supposed to come outside and they call for revolution. When he just fail election. He just fail election, then come they call for revolution. Una sense like waiting they work. Make una reason together. All these things now problem and setback to us for this country. Huh? Now problem and setback to us for this country. Because we know they tell ourselves the truth. Many of us see this our mumu don't do. Our mumu don't do. When they shout our mumu don't do, our mumu don't do. Finally, who can be mumu? Huh? When Charlie boy go collect bribe from government or agree make government settle am, they buy his voice. Now, which person can be mumu? Now the man wey with the cry say na mumu, abi na the person wey go collect bribe say the fight when they fight, he no go fight am again. Who be mumu now? Huh? That is why our mumu don't do break into two. Because why? Betray they among us. Problem where we they get now that same disunity we know they among us. We know they truthful when it comes to life. Everybody they do something, they do it with selfish interest. Waiting go be own gain. Huh? And that thing they kill us seriously. That thing they destroy us seriously. By time don't reach Nigeria, our greatest solution are unity. Make we unite, we go find solution to our problem. When my brother Nnamdi Kanu rise up, I begin to make call, begin to try to educate them. Say, this thing where they do, it no go work. Why it no go work? Nnamdi Kanu no join any place for Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu no they use our Nigerian passport. Nnamdi Kanu no dey government. Nnamdi Kanu no believe in the government of Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu no believe in Nigeria itself as an entity. Now, how can you divide something where you know they your hand? Something where you know they your power? Something where you know belong? How you want to divide them? Now, those people where die that time, and as I say, people die out of ignorance. Soldier kill people out of ignorance. Those people where die, waiting be their life. Now, this one, fella say you go die anyhow. Because your death no get, you know they're accountable for anything. Ignorantly, many people died. Those people wait die now, their life don't finish. Nigerians, gra no be him. Power no be him. Talking anyhow no be him. Shout no be him. Make we unite. That be the solution. Among the Igbo people, what I say Nnamdi Kanu supposed to do now to unite the Igbo people. But the same Nnamdi Kanu, through this message of IPOP, divide Igbo land. The Igbos are not well coordinated. The Igbos cannot united. The Igbos also agree say they no get king. How can people wey no get king want to win war? Wetin king stand for? King stand for unity. King stand for togetherness. King stand for authority. King stand for leadership. The Igbo structure no get leadership. Why? Because everybody na king for their own head. You get money for yourself. Everybody get money for yourself. That is the reason. Even a boy of 20 years can get chief title tension in Igbo land. The chief title tension has become rubbish. Why? Because that leadership of a king, they no get them. Time don't reach where Ndi Igbo have to come together, go plan their life. Look for king among themselves and stop living this wayward life of everybody now got for his own head. Eh? Any people where we say they no get king, my brother, they're going to lose battle steady. Now, one question now you go ask yourself, say, how many times something go do you before you go get sense? Huh? Now, for Igbo land also, you go hear say, IPOP did their own. Ohaneze did their own. Everybody scatter. Mazop did their own. Everywhere scatter, scatter. Eh? Yet they claim to look for one thing. How can they achieve it when there is no unity among them? No common language among them. No common togetherness among them. How would they work? Today, see Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo don't start to the shout again. Say, he be German, he be enjoyment. Make I talk to Asari Dokubo here. Asari Dokubo, who you be for Nigeria? Where you from come out from Nigeria? Wetin make people hear you? Huh? Today, you deny, say you don't know anything about militant. You don't know anything. But listen to me. Wetin your people call you now you be? You be oga of militant. And that same militant where you be, this government where you dey fight against don't settle you. One time they don't make you king. Today your voice can be heard everywhere. Not only you be militant, but you get the favor. Come enter, say government can't settle you. Put you inside government. You can't sabi what the government they do. Today, instead of you to educate youth, you dey divide country. Country where you dey divide Asari Dokubo, you get the power. I be saying I will talk for mat na say go be. Time done reach. Make we stop all this violent word. Everybody come outside talking all this one talk. We cannot find solution like that. Our government keep getting stronger when we keep getting divided. Huh? The time don't reach. The job people don't be brainwashed by what Asari Dokubo they tell una. All those things now useless word. Now useless word we no get base for sense at all. Make we unite, now be our solution. Some people they don't say, how we go take they unite? How we go take they unite? When the country, the northerners no one make we unite. If the northerners no one make we unite, make una unite on una own. Make every region get unity among themselves. Leaders among themselves. If every region is united, it is easy for us to get a better Nigeria. Unity is the only key that will save this country. Ability to reason together. When our reasonings are connected, it is easy for us to achieve our purpose. We cannot achieve our purpose today because our reasonings are not connected. The time has come for us to unite. Nigerians, we can make this country a better place. We can make this country a wonderful place if we can unite. Make una no let all these people where they jump come outside from corner, come ginger you because government they bad. Those people where they ginger you, number one, they don't get blind. They just want make name. They make money. Some of them, government will call them, settle them. When I go there, they shout, hey, this one will happen, that one will happen. Government don't settle them. Those who die for nothing. Fella talker. My brothers and sisters, time don't reach, make we reason. Make we use our sense. Make we use our head. Because this head where you they see, if you fail, say you don't use your head, somebody else go use your head for you. Many head for Nigeria, they walk up and down. They don't use many head. You understand me? But they work like that. Make we unite. And they use this opportunity. They call everybody, say, let us come together. Let us unite as a people. Let us reason together. Violence will not lead us to any solution. Our government is bad. It is true. It is no longer news. The country is going somehow. It is true. It's not longer news. But how can we find solution to these things? If the government is not thinking, can't we the people think? And that is the reason this initiative, the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative, was born. To unite the Nigerian people. Make we build the masses power. When we don't build the masses power, my brothers and sisters, make you hear me. If in every state, the people rise and say this is what they want. For Lagos, they say that what they want. For North, they say now what they want. For East, they say now what they want. Every corner say now what they want. The government go do one. But problem what will they get? When the people say no, after, inside the people, you will still see people who go to say, no, the government is good. Huh? Now, killings everywhere for this our country. But do you know, say there are some people who still believe, say, Buhari, they do and correct. Huh? Some people say, Buhari, no, they do and correct. How we go take now find solution? Where we disagree, we know they come to agreement. How we go take find solution? Nigerian people, time down reach, make we open eye. God go help us. I dey use this opportunity once again say, if you never join this initiative, make you join us. My name still remains Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative. Let us embrace unity. Let us build the masses' strength. We can do it together. This is our country. Our country, nobody will build it for us if we don't build by ourselves. Let us build together. Everyone is important. God bless you all. Thank you.